friends, it's Jessie here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. For today's video, I have my weekly grocery haul. I'm going to be sharing everything I picked up this week to make our meal plan happen. I'm going to go ahead and pop the meal plan up here on the screen so you can see everything we plan to eat this week. I'm going to break the grocery haul up into a couple of rounds, starting with what I already have on the table here. That's the meat, the produce, the dairy, things that I have on hand to make the meals happen. And then I'll put all of this away and pull out the rest, which is like some snacks, a couple of household things, some, sweet treats. So that's how we're going to break it up today. Let me go ahead and share with you all the good stuff on my table right now. All right, here we have it. So as you saw in the meal plan, we are going to make a Mississippi pot roast this week. So I got a big old chuck roast for that. This is 2.31 pounds. I'm going to put this in the crock pot with some onions, some carrots, potatoes. We're going to do some pepperoncinis, a little au jus packet. If you've never tried a Mississippi roast, I will leave a recipe down below. It's delicious. Really looking forward to that meal this week. We have Valentine's Day this week, and my husband's going to make a little shrimp Alfredo for that. So we grabbed some shrimp, and I just got the cooked shrimp to make it easy on him. He'll just heat these up and throw them into a little garlic butter sauce, and then put that on top of our fettuccine. Really looking forward to that. We're going to do a breakfast for dinner, and so with that in mind, I got the pork sausage patties. We're also going to do some blueberry pancakes. So I grabbed some frozen blueberries to put into our pancakes because I thought these would just taste better and be, sweeter than if I were to buy them right now fresh, since they're not exactly in season. For the steak bites, I got these little sirloin tender steaks. I'm just going to slice these up into little bite-sized pieces, cook them in some garlic butter. Delicious. The salsa is on hand for just snacking on, but also we never got around to making the cheesy beef quesadillas I had on the menu plan last week, so we'll have that with those. For produce this week, I got some cucumbers. I'm going to make a big veggie tray like I do most weeks. I've got some celery sticks here and some baby carrots. Those will be for the roast, but also probably a handful in the veggie tray. I got a slicing tomato to have for on top of our burgers. I also got the iceberg lettuce for that. Plus, we'll probably use some of this iceberg lettuce to do a little salad or something for lunches this week. This is parsley for my husband's shrimp fettuccine dish. He likes fresh parsley for that. Needed salted butter, so I picked up that. These are the potatoes we're going to have with our roast. They're from the Little Potato Company, Little Reds. I got some dill dip because my veggie tray would be incomplete without that. Everyone in my family loves that. Austin requested a handful of high-protein yogurt, so I got him the Oikos Pro. There's the vanilla and the strawberry flavor here. Got some of this Texas Roadhouse honey cinnamon butter because it's delicious. Milk for cereal, which you will see in the next round of groceries. I did buy cereal. We needed heavy whipping cream for that fettuccine Alfredo dish. I got the 5-layer dip just because I love it. I got lots of extra tortilla chips so that I can snack on that for a little girl dinner one night or lunch or a snack or whatever. We needed the Parmesan cheese for the Alfredo, and my husband, I keep calling it fettuccine Alfredo, but my husband likes angel hair for whatever reason when he does his Alfredo, so that's what I got him. We are a family that loves bananas, so I got us a ton of bananas, and I also grabbed just a couple Granny Smith apples because those are Robbie's favorite. He requested those. And lastly on the table right here, I have the pepperoncinis for that Mississippi roast. Okay, so I think I went over everything on the table. I'm going to go ahead and get this put away, and then I'll pull in the bread, the cereal, that sort of thing. So I'll be right back with the rest. Oh, I was just putting this first half of the groceries away and realized I forgot to show you this. This is whipped cream cheese. I got this for some bagels to go with breakfast, so you'll see the bagels in a minute, but I wanted to make sure I pointed this out. Yum. Okay, so here is the other half of our groceries, the less healthy half, I guess. I got some seltzer here. This is the Polar Cranberry Lime. It's become one of my new favorite flavors. I'm really enjoying that one, and Robbie really likes it too, so I got us a case of that. He requested the mint flavored Oreos. I don't think I realized how huge this package is. We're gonna have plenty of Oreos to get us through the week. Also grabbed some of these cherry turnovers by Pepperidge Farm. You just bake these in the oven. These are my husband's favorite sweet treat. We needed parchment paper, so I grabbed us that. That's like the one household thing. I thought there was more, but I guess not. Got some honey graham crackers for snacking on. Told you guys I bought lots of extra tortilla chips, so that's what you were seeing here. For salsa, for that 5-layer dip. Grabbed the burger buns for burgers this week. Bread for sandwiches. Told you guys I got some bagels, so we got onion and plain. Austin really likes to use the plain bagels as like a breakfast sandwich situation. We got some cinnamon raisin bread. Austin requested that as well. Got a couple of our favorite cereals. My husband loves these rice squares, and Austin loves the cinnamon toast crunch, so we got both of those, and that's everything. I'm realizing they did not give me my little au jus packet for my Mississippi roast, so I'm going to have to put in a request to be refunded for that, but otherwise I think we got it all. We spent somewhere in the neighborhood of $175. Was a little bit higher this week with the special Valentine's Day things, but overall I feel like it was still pretty affordable for everything we got. If you like this video, will you please give it a thumbs up? That really helps out my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new budgeting and lifestyle content here every single week. I'd love to have you come back. And I will see you next time. Bye!